Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the third-party application, which is very helpful and handy to track the your disk space or folder space, and you can manage the space very well. I mean, to identify which folder is taking the more space and which file is taking the more space. To track all those details, this app is very helpful. So that app name is uh, TreeSize app. That's the app name. So it's a completely free. I mean, of course, you have a different version, but the free version is sufficient for us to manage our system very effectively and clean up our disk space or local system space uh, very effectively. And it's a very useful tool. So I want to share with you guys. So see how it will be helpful for your day-to-day life. Okay, so now I searched in the Google, which is the TreeSize free app. Once you in the search results, go to the first application, which is the Jump software. Find Space Hogs with the TreeSize free app. Click on that link. Once you click on that link, so you will route to the site, the Jump software site, and here you can see the app name, and you will get the link to download that app. Right, if you scroll down further, so there are other versions you have, and there is simple tour that you get it here. Get more insights with visual tour, so you can see what and all that you can do with this application. You can use, I mean, you can see here all this screenshot. But yeah, again, to get all these visuals and beautiful visuals in your local, some bit you need to go for the uh, you know I mean, not all the options are free, but yeah, some you need to pay for it. And at least it's a good that you have free things in free version. But if you scroll down further, you will see there are the three types of the applications are available. One is the free version, other one is the personal version, then third one is the professional version. So where you need to pay for in subscription model, right? And the options, you can see in the free version, it will simply whatever the drive or whatever the folder that you map to the application, it will scan the that particular drive or particular folder and display the allocation and usage of the particular folder. How many files are there, how many folders and files are there, what is the size of the occupied size. That details you can get it in free version. I think for us the free version is sufficient because we don't do clean up on the regular basis, right? And we are not maintaining like a big data center. It's more like our personal laptop that we use it, and we can scan once in a while and do the cleanup. But if you want to go for more options like large files you want to scan, anything, there are some option, right? This option is breaks down the scan results according to owner file type, 100 largest files, etc. So this option is available only in the paid version. At the same time, file search, and you can also see the duplicate finder, whether the file exists in multiple places. If you want to perform those searches, you need to go for the paid versions, either personal or professional. And after you see the results in the application, and if at all you want to export those results to Excel or HTML or send an email, you need to go for paid version. Um, so these are the options, right? But again, I'm telling that, so in our scenario the free version is sufficient to move on, right? So you can click on this free download. Once the download plugin got downloaded, you can install. Once you install it, so you will have option to in your start menu, it will appear like a tree size free app. Okay, open the tab in the admin mode. So you need to right click and open the tab in the admin mode. Once you open the app in admin mode, so it will be coming like this. Okay, so it's open. This is the app. And the first time it will open like empty, and here you need to map your drive, whichever drive that you want to scan. So in my scenario, it's a scanning. Maybe I'll take the small one, choose the E drive, which is pretty small. So I choose the E drive. Under that E drive, you will see list of the folders and list of the files, and you can expand the tree. And in fact, you can expand in one shot, full expand. Then it will go into the expand mode, and it will show you what is the size of the each file. And you can see the size in ZB format, MB format, or KB format, and that's how it works. And now let me go to the top level. level 1, and even you can go through level 3 and see what is the space allocation and all. Now we'll come back to the level 1, and along with that, so you can see the quick information, what is the size of the folder, and what are the how many files are there within that particular folder, and how many folders are there with like subfolders within that particular main folder, and what is the percentage of allocation, what is the last modified. And there is a under the tooltip you have the card which is showing, right? You can see what is the name of the folder, path, size, and there is additional information that you can see under the tooltip, right? And you mouse over on it. So that's how this thing work, and you can view these space in like show in tree map chart, right? And particular folder, I think it's not good visual. Let me see how we can improve. Show in 3D, show in single file. Okay, so you can, let me click on this, the second folder. You can see here within that it's again showing the tree map. So how many levels are there, at what level we have more files or folders, and what is the resource space utilization of those folders. And you can see that, and you can see where you want to display this beautiful tree map and everything. So this is about using this TreeSize app, right? It's a really very helpful. At any point you want to refresh, your entire scanning results, you can click on refresh. Then it will again reload the fresh size allocation from the disk. Okay, so try it from your end. It's a completely free and safe app. So you can try and let me know your comments in the comment section, whether this tool is helpful or not. That's about this tree size free app, and I'll see you in the next video with a different topic. Thank you.